View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy!
Boo!
Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
Fall has already arrived in the town where the Wheelzy family lives, and Vroomy doesn't like it.
A dense forest.
Vroomy is having fun. He's made up a new game.
Whoa! Oh no! A fire! A fire! Oh. Oh, up. Wee-oh, wee-oh, wee-oh.
Vroomy, are you going to use your socks?
What? Oh. No, I'll use my boots.
But it's Bloom Boom who has the funnest game.
Get out of the way! Bloom Boom, you broke it. Get out of the way!
But he's little.
And what if Plume had broken your dollhouse?
Hey, what is going on here? Huh?
He broke my forest.
What? What a lot all at once.
I want summer.
Get out of the way!
Stop! One at a time. Broomy.
Plume Boom ruined my game.
I'm sick of the fall. It's gray and boring outside.
You're tired of fall? Well, that's a twist.
That's a twist.
There are loads of interesting things to do in the fall.
Like what?
Well, anything. Make each other a bouquet of leaves. Build a herbarium. Jump in puddles. Set off some fireworks. Play conkers.
What's a herbarium?
Can you eat it?
A herbarium is a collection of lots of dried plants. I had a herbarium when I was a kid. All right, follow me.
Wee-oh, wee-oh, beep, beep. Wee-oh, wee-oh, beep, beep. Wee-oh, wee-oh, beep.
Grandpa Ladle and the kids went outside.
Full speed ahead! Turbo speed!
Broomy, you okay? I can't see anything.
Hey. Now you're a pirate.
This is my sword.
Well, my sword is longer.
And mine is nicer. Beware the pirate.
Hey.
Time to declare a truce.
Oh. let's dry out this beautiful leaf.
Oh, let's dry out this orange leaf, too.
For sure. And for Mama, we can also make a big bouquet of colorful leaves. She doesn't like it when live flowers are picked, but she'll like these fall leaves. And we can also let off the fireworks.
Firework!
Hooray! Fireworks!
Hooray! Fireworks! Fireworks!
Phew! I'm fireworked out.
Fireworks!
Kids, let's gather the most beautiful leaves for Mama and make her a bouquet out of them.
Can we include my leaf?
That's a beautiful yellow leaf.
And this one?
Oh, this leaf is very beautiful too.
Leaf.
Bloom Boom, bring it over here.
Is it pretty?
The prettiest leaf in the world.
Look!
Mama will love it so much.
Definitely.
Well, we really can still have fun in the fall.
It turns out I love fall.
Mama is probably already back from work. Let's hurry back.
Beep, 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 beep. I got here first.
I did.
Mama,
We made this bouquet for you.
Oh, how lovely! I've never been given a bouquet like this. Thank you, my dears.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Roomy! Roomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
Today, there's a disco in the Wheelzy Kids room.
This is DJ Brew. You ready to hear an amazing track?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go! Hey! Hey!
Now I'm a DJ.
No! You be chicken!
What? No, you be a chicken.
Roomy is very mad at her brother.
Chicken on the loose! You better save yourselves!
Roomy decided he definitely needs to hide from his sister. Roomy wants to find an even better hiding place. No, he wants to get revenge on his sister.
Hey?
Grandpa Ladle, do you have any anything that can fly?
Let me have a think. Look, let's make you a clever little flying contraption.
Oh, wow! What?
It's a boomerang. Boomerang. Here.
Does it fly well?
Yeah. But keep in mind, if you throw the boomerang in anger, it will punish you.
Of course.
Oh, yes! Punish!
Huh? Whoa. Huh.
Looks like Vroomy thought up a new game. She's training a wild peacock.
Come here. I've got berries for you. Well, you can sing better.
Nah. Now I'll really show you who's the actual DJ. Yeah?
Oh, what a nasty little car! Nasty little car! Nasty little car! Now I'll show you what boomerang can do.
The boomerang turned around and flew back to Vroomy.
Vroomy, what's wrong?
Now Vroomy feels very ashamed for ever wanting to hurt his caring sister.
I would just bump my head.
Plume Boom has gone to fetch the first aid kit.
Huh? Hey.
What?
Oh, what's this cute little thing we have here on the ground?
This? It hit my head. Yeah.
Vroomy threw the boomerang, and the boomerang flew right back.
You shouldn't throw the boomerang when you're angry. Especially not at your friends. It's like actions. If you do something bad, it comes back to you even worse. But if you do good for someone, expect good in return. Heh.
A balloon.
Aye. Heh. Heh. Aye.
I get it. I won't throw anything anymore. Not ever.
Huh? Well done, Plumie. Let's open your peacock treasure chest.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Plume Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
I like to eat crispy fried eggs. Oh!
And I like to eat omelets full of veggies. Yo-ho! Hiya!
Mama and Papa Wheelzy are cooking a healthy breakfast in the kitchen.
Oh. Huh?
Papa!
Huh?
Huh? Kids!
Oh, kids!
Kids!
Huh? Huh? Madam, after you.
What happened here?
It was all her.
That's not true! You broke my dolly!
Oh no! Breakfast is burning! Huh?
Is anyone going to tell me what happened here?
But she broke my toy train track.
And he ripped the arm off my doll!
Oh, it makes me so sad when you fight.
Sweetie!
Huh?
Come eat! A healthy breakfast will lift your spirits! See you tonight. I'm running late for work.
Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Whoa, whoa, nice.
That's my place!
Again?
No, Wait,
What a beautiful breakfast Mama and Papa cooked for the kids.
Milk! It's milk!
Oh, oops.
Oh, forget breakfast. Even my favorite cake wouldn't cheer me up today. An urgent call. Hello? Kids, I need to go. Some silly car forgot you're supposed to stop at a red light. Grandpa will look after you all. He's through there. He's watching the bulldozer race.
It seems like Mama really is sad.
Then we need to do something so we can make Mama happy.
Happy. Make happy. Maybe we could do a dance for her. Happy.
Oh, yeah, happy. But will Mama be happy? Huh? I have an idea. 1 second.
Broomy is bringing water, sponges, and Boomy's oil.
We will surprise Mama by cleaning the house.
Yeah, Mama will love that.
I added this much cleaning product. This floor will shine.
Huh?
What?
Okay, let's start. Beep, beep.
The little cars have got mixed up and taken a bottle of oil instead of cleaning product. What will Mama say?
Stop the game!
We're going to surprise Mama.
But how?
Grandpa Ladle, we're washing the floors.
Boom! The bulldozer has won the race!
Hooray!
Oh.
I'm back now.
Surprise!
Where?
Right here.
We decided to cheer you up so that you didn't feel so sad, so we washed the floor.
With oil we use for Plumie?
Yes, exactly. So let's have fun.
The kids understood that it's not a good idea to wash the floor with oil, they also decided that they would never fight again, so that Mama was happy and cheerful.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Roomy! Roomy! They like to play. Boom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
This is Roomy. What an interesting bathroom she has, like something from a sweet fairy tale.
It works! Again! More candy!
Is Roomy really full? Yes, she's full, but it's a shame to just leave that candy.
They're so delicious! A bucket!
Unbelievable! Roomy has decided to shovel all the candy into this little bucket.
And more, and more, and more, and more, and more, and
Wowie! Where did you get all that candy?
more, and more! The shower!
What?
Look, you put just one candy in here. And from here, a load more come out.
One? Oi. Yum, 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 yum. So much. Well, I wonder if it works with gummy candies, too.
Just 1 minute.
Roomy has come to the kitchen to find some gummy bears and gummy worms.
Try them. It's raining candy!
There's something not quite right about these candies.
I wonder if...
Oh no! Roomy wants to have a toy car shower.
Vroomy! Vroomy! Where's my racing car? Vroomy! Vroomy! Vroomy!
Now it makes sense. It wasn't actually a fairy tale bathroom. The candy shower was all in Vroomy's dreams.
Vroomy! Where's my toy racing car?
I don't know. But just now you wanted to use it for a car shower.
What?
A car shower.
Oh no! Roomy is about to suggest a very bad game to her brother.
You just put your toy car right in there and wait. Come on. Just try it. Or let's make candy rain instead.
Yeah, they'll have lots of candy. What?
What?
What? What? There's nothing.
Let's try turning on the water.
What is going on here?
Oh, but Vroomy said that if you put a car in there, it will be...
It will block the drain. The water has nowhere to flow out. Sweetie!
Ah, all right.
You must never throw anything into the draining system. Didn't you know that?
We wanted a candy shower. And a car shower.
We have candy in the kitchen. And your toy cars are in their parking lot, Broomy. And if you see some fun rain
We do.
or shower, then come with me.
Yeah.
Hey.
And Plumie too.
Wise Grandpa Ladle brought the kids to a water park.
This is the funniest shower in the world.
After that, Broomy and Vroomy never tried to make candy showers or toy car shower. They simply came to enjoy themselves at the water park.